Hi everyone, let's make a chocolate banana bread today. It's very simple and easy, and normally if you have bananas that are overripe, it's a great way to use them. Kids love this bread because it's very chocolatey. So let's get started. I'm gonna go through the ingredients. 3 mashed bananas. They're very overripe bananas. I have half a cup of melted butter, 1 cup of chocolate chips. We have half cup of regular sugar and 1/4 cup of 1/4 cup of brown sugar. 1/4 cup of brown sugar and half a cup of regular sugar. 2 eggs, and I put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence in it. We would need 1.5 cup of regular flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in this. I have preheated my oven at 350 degrees and I have the pan ready. I sprayed it and lined it with parchment paper. Okay, so let's get started. Step 1, mix all your dry ingredients together. Okay. Step 2 is mix all your wet ingredients together. So the mashed bananas, we have the 2 eggs and vanilla essence, both the sugars, and the melted butter. So very, very easy and simple. Go ahead and whisk it together. Okay. Add in the dry ingredients slowly. As you can see, I'm just folding it in so all the dry ingredients are wet, moistened. And that's all there is to it. We're gonna add our chocolate chips. I'll leave a little bit for garnishing. Fold these in. Put in the pan. Okay. Go ahead and put in the rest of the chocolate chips on it. Okay, and it is ready to go in the oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 60 minutes. So our chocolatey banana bread is ready. We're just gonna cool it for about 20 minutes and then slice it. Okay, it's time to take our cake out. Okay, so delicious chocolate banana cake is ready. Let's cut it. God, it's so nice and chocolatey. I hope you do try this wonderful bread, and if you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.